Hi. In logical reasoning section, one of the most important topic is letter series. Guys, definitely this question you will encounter examinations like competitive examinations like banking, RRB, SSC. Definitely one or two questions definitely will come from letter series from SSC and RRB. Okay, and campus hiring companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, all sort of these definitely you will encounter one or two questions from letter series. Higher educations like CAT, MAT and ICET, definitely you will encounter questions based on letter series. Definitely in ICET you will encounter 5 to 6 questions from the letter series. In MAT exam 1 to 2 questions from the letter series. In CAT 0 to 1 from the letter series. So you must know the letter series. If you want to good at letter series, first you should know the place positions, which we have already discussed in coding and decoding, how to remember the place positions of every letter. And what is the basic approach to handle the questions? You have to observe the alphabets in given series very keenly and find the sequence it follows, whether it is ascending or descending series of opposite letters. So this is also you need to understand very clearly. After that, you have to detect the rule which the alphabet is following. Okay, and after that, you have to fill appropriate the given blank of the particular letter. Okay, when you are doing these type of things in basically letter series, okay, you might have two varieties, which is vowels and consonants. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels, remaining all are what? Consonants. Because they may create questions and vowels and consonants as well. So let's see a question how to handle this. So A is first letter and fifth letter, I is going to be ninth letter and 15th letter. So here the point is what? This is not related to the numbers. This is related to the character of what this letter. So A, E, I, O, U is going to be our answer, because these are what this series is going to be consecutive vowel in increasing order. So your answer is going to be what here? U. Okay, you will get these type of questions. I know these are basic ones, but you should know this. UOIE. So if you look at here, so UOIE. So I left with what? A. So these are what here? Single letters in consecutive vowels in decreasing order. Once you know this, the job is going to be very easy. Okay, and after that we'll see few more questions. Okay guys, if you look at this question, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, sixth letter, seventh letter and eighth letter. Next has to be ninth letter. What is ninth letter? I. Okay, what's going to be the ninth letter? The ninth letter is going to be what here? I. Okay, so can I say this series is going to be single letters, consecutive, constant, increasing order? Yes. There is a constant increasing. What is the constant? Plus 1 in every case. So this is how you need to answer your particular questions. Okay, let's try to solve one more question. Okay, so if you look at here, 17th letter, P is going to be 16th letter, 15th letter, 14th letter and so on. So which is decreasing -1 in every case. So F -1, which is what? Fifth letter. What is fifth letter? E is going to be the fifth letter. Okay, E is going to be the fifth letter. So once you done with this, your job is going to be cakewalk. Hope everybody understood this. So I can say this is going to be single letters, consecutive, constant in decreasing order. There is a constant decrease is there. Okay, so hope everybody understood this particular series. Okay, I have a question. Okay, so basically if the question is like this, B, okay, C, E, comma, G. So what's going to be the next letter? So if you keenly observe, my important point is this: when you saw the letters, you have to write the numbers. Second letter, third letter, fifth letter, seventh letter. What is 2, 3, 5, 7? It's going to be what? Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7 are going to be what? What here? prime number. So next prime number is 11. 11th letter is what? K. So your answer is going to be K. Okay. He may give like this also. Okay. D. Okay. D. And the next letter is going to be I. And the next letter is going to be Y. And what's going to be the next letter? So can I say this is going to be 4th letter, 9th letter, 25th letter? So can I say it's going to be 2 square, 3 square, 5 square? 2, 3, 5 are what? Prime. Next has to be what? 7 square. 7 square is what? 49. But what is 49th letter is important. Can I say 52 is going to be Z? 50 is going, don't do like this. Assume it as 26. How much less to 26? So what is the gap here? So 50, 51, 53, which is minus 3. Minus 3 means what? 23. What is 23rd letter? 23rd letter is going to be W. Okay, after 26 also there are letters. So this is how the questions will be. So these type of questions been asked in, the basic ones, okay, CTS and MAT. Let's see the question. 3rd letter, 6th letter, 9th letter, 12th letter, and this is going to be what here? 15th letter, and this is 18th letter. So plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So next has to be plus 3. 18 plus 3 is going to be 21. 21st letter is U. Once you know the place positions, you can arrive at answer very easily. That is the most important point in this particular videos. Hope everybody understood this particular question. So these type of questions are what? Difference in series. Okay, so this is how you can get your answers. Let's see one more question. 5th letter, 6th letter, 8th letter, 11th letter, O is 15th letter, T is 20th letter. Can you check any difference here? Yeah. Can you see any difference here? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. So next has to be plus 6. 26 plus 20 plus 6 is what? 26. What is 26? Z. So this is how, once you know the place positions, the job is going to be very easy. Okay, if you don't know the place positions, it will take a lot of time to get your answer. So these type of questions been asked in, CAT, CTS exam, MAT exam, and ISET exam. Okay, so these type of questions been asked. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, B place value is what here? 2. D place value is what? 4. H place value is what? 8. N place value is what? 14. V place value is what? 22. See, if you know the place positions, the job is easy. So look at the difference here. Plus 2 is the difference. Plus 4 is the difference. Plus 6 is the difference. Plus 8 is the difference. Next has to be plus 10. 22 plus 10 is what? 32. Okay, but ask yourself a question. 26 is Z. How much more than 26? 6. So can I say 32nd letter is going to be F, because 32nd letter is going to be what here? F. Okay, because 26 plus 6 only 32. So 6th letter is what? F. So you can give your answer as what here? F. Okay, so that's how you can answer your questions. Okay, hope everybody understood this particular question. Let's see one more example. So second letter, M is 13th letter, V is 22nd letter, and C is going to be what? 3rd letter. H is going to be what? 8th letter. How to solve this particular question? Okay, guys, let's see. Are you getting with any difference here? 2, 13, 22, 3 and H. Okay, guys, if you closely observe, can you see any difference here? So here the difference is what? Plus how much? Plus 11 is the difference. Here what is the difference? Here the difference is going to be plus how much? Plus 9 is the difference. Okay, yeah. Plus 11 plus 9. But here I am getting 3, but you will not get 3. Why don't you write C after 26? you might get any chance. So C place value after 26. So 27 is A, 28 is B, 29 is what? C. Right? So let me put this number as 29. If you put 29, are you getting any logic here? Plus 11 plus 9, here it should be plus 7. Yeah, 22 plus 7 only 29. Next has to be what? Plus how much? So plus it's going to be 11 decreasing out. So it has to be plus 5. Okay. So C plus 5 only. So next has to be plus 3. Okay. So H plus 3 is going to be what? 8 plus 3 is 11. So I can say my answer is going to be K. Lot of people will confuse with this. They'll think only in the bracket. You have to think out of the bracket as well. Then the jobs are going to be pretty easy. Okay. Hope everybody got the answer. Okay. You can write your numbers after 26 also. Then the job is going to be very, very easy. Hope everybody understood this particular question. Let's see one more question. So this B place value is what here? 2. C place value is what here? 3. G place value is what here? 7. P place value is what here? 16. F place value actually is what? 6. Here plus 1 is the difference. Here plus 4 is the difference. Here plus 9 is going to be the difference. Guys, are you observing? This is 1 square. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. But here the value which is going to negative. So kindly write F after 26. Can I write F value is 32? Because 26 plus 6 only 32. So sixth letter is what? F. So 32. If you look at the difference here, you will get difference as plus 16. Yes or no? So that is nothing but 4 square. So the next difference has to be 25. Yes or no? The next difference has to be what? 25. So 32 plus 25. So that's going to be 57. Okay, but I know 52 is Z plus how much? 5. So fifth, because you have to treat this number as what? 26. So fifth letter is what? E. So you can write your answer is going to be what? E. So these type of different examples you will encounter when the concept of letter series is. Okay, these type of questions being asked in ICET, MAT, CTS examinations. Hope everybody understood this particular question. Let's try to solve one more question. A place value. Are you observing? Every question is nothing but it's a place value. A place value is 1. C place value 3. F place value is what? 6. K place value is what? 11. R place value is what? 18. So if you look at here, plus 2 is the difference, plus 3 is the difference, plus 5 is the difference, plus 7 is the difference. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are what? Prime numbers. So next difference has to be 11. So 18 plus 11 is going to be what? 29. But what is 29th letter? Very simple. Subtract 26 from this. What you are going to get? 3. So third letter is what? C. So answer for this question is what? C. That's it. See how easily you can answer if you know the place positions. If you know the place positions, the job is easy. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. Let's try to solve one more question. All these types are previously ICET and MAT examination questions. So C place value is what? 3. D place value is what? 4. L place value 12. M place value 13. Okay, Y place value is what? 25. Can you see here? Guys, if you look at here, CD is plus 1. LM is plus 1. Y has to be plus 1. So there is a pair of letters. So that's going to be 26, which will give you Z as your answer. Okay, so that's how the question got developed here. Okay, that's how the question got developed here. This is how you need to answer your particular questions. Let's try to solve one more. 3. G place value is 7. J place value is 10. L place value is 12. P place value is 16. We have a gap here and U and Y. So here plus 4 is the difference, here plus 3 is the difference, here plus 2 is the difference, here again plus 4 is the difference. Guys, if you look at here, this is 21 and 25. So I can say again 4 has to be the difference. So can I say here the difference has to be plus 3. Plus 3 means 19. So what is 19th letter? 19th letter is going to be S. So 19 to 21. Again you will see plus 2 as the difference. So you are getting plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So again plus 4. Again you will get plus 3 and plus 2. So the difference between the letters are decreasing order. Okay, plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. So this is how you have to handle the question. So my sincere advice is this: when you come across letter series, the only mantra is knowing the place positions. If you know the place position, the job is a cakewalk. Hope everybody understood this particular session. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Thank you.